Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. Comes with full service history with Howard's. There's 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, keyless entry and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's air conditioning, automatic headlights, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 11,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.